Hello friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Marriott Hospitality Private Limited. In continuation with my topic, hotel marketing and sales, and the role of consultant in that. Today I'm going to talk about an important topic. See, I am reaching the micro levels, and this particular topic will touch base the micro level. We are going to talk about standard operating procedures, operating and delegating manuals. In my last video, we spoke about soft opening, pre-opening, soft opening, and the PR activities which needs to be done. Once that is over, we need to have a proper SOPs or standard operating procedures manual, operating and delegation or delegating manuals ready. In case of brands, the SOPs are tailor-made, are ready-made. They have their own SOPs, own standards, own way of operating things. So the owner of the hotel is set. If the hotel owner has not signed the operator or any management company, then the consultant who is on the board needs to develop a SOP manual and a delegation manual, operating manual for that particular hotel. And I want to make it very clear, every property is different. Ensure that the consultant who is working with you makes a proper manual as per the requirement of that particular property, because the property is set as per the requirement, as per the feasibility, or as per the demand and supply required for that particular location or the area. Delegation plays an important role. It has to be specified. Every hotel, the delegation plan has to be outlined very clearly. Task delegated should be having an authority which accompanies accountability and responsibility as a package. Otherwise, it is incomplete. Task delegated should have authority, responsibility, and accountability as a package, else it is incomplete. Signing off. Once again, Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Marriott Hospitality Private Limited. If you like my video, press the like button, share it with your colleagues, spread the knowledge. Knowledge has to be spread it. Subscribe to my channel, stay connected. Tons and tons of information is going to come on my YouTube channel. Press the icon of the bell and keep getting the intimations. Till then, see you. Stay blessed, stay smiling.